How you doing, everyone? This is Double Up with Astro, and I would like to thank y'all for watching this video. And today I want to show you a little bit of a proof type of video and show you how I got these results using the SMS Phone Leads. And I want to show you guys that this system actually works. So I'm going to go here in my back office. Hold on. And as you can see, and I didn't even realize that I had these, sales that came in a couple days ago. So, as you can see in here in my email, I had I had a couple sales that had came in on the 11th and on the 7th I had them. But the one that came in on the 11th, I didn't even notice that it had came in. And I want to show you, with the Stripe account, as you can see, I have one that I earned $37 from, and the other one I have earned the $47 with that upsell. And you can really get these results. If you actually apply yourself and you promote yourself, you can definitely get these same results. Here in the SMS, this is pretty much the back office of the SMS Phone Leads. And this is where you can it shows you where how much you can make with one sale. If everyone gets all these products right here, you could pretty much earn at least 185 each sale if they grab every last product that's here in the back office. And it could be done, you know what I'm saying. It's just this platform is very well, it works very well for me. um, it's very good for your marketing strategy. Everyone needs, text message marketing is one of the top marketing strategies you can use because it has a 95% open rate, with people opening up their text messages rather than opening up their email. So this can be I always say it, that this could be very useful for your arsenal, something that you could be able to really do, something that's easier to do as well. And if you want to pick up this product, check out the link in the description below. Um, and also, if you decide to join with me, I will, give you free marketing strategies that I use to promote SMS phone leads. And here in the back office, you can, they got videos where you can check out. If you go to Quick Start Guide, it can show you how to set everything up. You must have a Stripe account in order to really use this platform, because they won't let you use anything else. No Cash Apps and Venmo or anything like that. They don't have that particular way to get paid. So you must have to use a Stripe account. That way, you can get your link. And they made a lot of changes too, because there's a lot of other um other products that they have. They got the traffic rotator. I'm gonna end up trying that, where they can help you bring in leads. Um, for like $39 a month, you can be able to, they'll help you. They'll promote your referral link for you, so you don't have to do most of the juggling. They'll do it for you. So, that's pretty good. They also have the SMS blaster, where you only can really send text messages out from 9 in the morning to 8 p.m. because of the simple fact, most people, you don't want to be spamming people's text messages at certain times of the night. So that's why, so that the company don't want that to happen on their platform. So only from 9 to 8 p.m. you could be able to do that, send out a blast message, and you can get 250 people leads to do that with, or you can get 1,000 that you can do a blast. So yeah, I really like this program. This company. It's very helpful. It helped me out with my marketing strategy. Right here you can check out, who sent you text messages. You can check out, from here, different, messages that they send to you, and you can pretty much get back with them. Um, You know, for the people who did send it. If you did set up a voicemail, your voicemail will come back here, and you can check that out. Only if you pretty much set up that voicemail message. If you got like the ringless voicemail, that's when you could be able to check out to see if you have any messages in the back. So yes, you could use this to, you know, market any business that you have. You could buy a number of numbers. You know, right here. Like right here, I got 2 numbers, and you can do the same too. And this is your text credits. This is where your referral link will be at. So, you know, you must have credits, guys. You must have credits in order to really send and receive text messages. So, and like I said before, that's with any SMS marketing site. You have to have credits in order to send and receive text messages. All right. That was just a proof video for you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. I do have upcoming more videos to help you guys with SMS phone leads and all of my other marketing companies that I have for you guys. And like I said before, this is very, very useful for any business that you're trying to market. All right. This is Double Up with Astro. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.